Hello, my name is Teacher Dani and I'm with Options for Learning Full Day Preschool, and I have a home activity to share with you today. Now for this activity, we are going to need 1.5 cups of brown sugar, a cup of butter, 2 eggs, 1/3 cup of maple syrup, 1 tablespoon of cinnamon, 1 teaspoon of ginger, half a teaspoon of salt, 3 cups of flour, and half a teaspoon of nutmeg. Now if you don't have all these ingredients, that's fine. You can alter the ingredients to your liking. So let's get started. I'm going to pour my flour. In. I'm going to add some butter. Just a little bit of butter. Then I'm going to add my maple syrup. Now typically you're supposed to do the wet ingredients separate from the dry ingredients, but we're going to do it a little bit differently today. Okay. And then I'm going to add some brown sugar. Egg. Okay, and I'm going to get my spoon. Oh, gotta add some cinnamon. And this is a good way that you could teach your children measurement, because when you have your spoons, your measuring spoons, you can teach them about the numbers, size difference, the ingredients, mixing, asking them questions about what it smells like, what it feels like, maybe what it tastes like. So I'm going to stir. Oh, wait, let me add a little bit of salt. Just a little bit. And I'm going to stir it. I'm going to stir, stir, stir. I recommend using a whisk. It makes the dough have a better consistency. I'm going to stir it. So, I'm done stirring it. I'm going to push it together until it gets to this type of consistency. I have some dough that I already made. It should be about like this consistency. See how it's a little bit thicker? Once you stir it enough, it gets a little bit thicker. So what I do is I powder a pan, and then I make my cookies about 1/8 of an inch thick so that they cook all the way through. And it takes about 8 to 12 minutes to bake it. And since we were talking about the gingerbread story, the gingerbread man, I'm going to make my very own gingerbread man. And I can make different circles and shapes and teach the children about the different shapes. Some are bigger and smaller. What color are the shapes? They can make comparison questions. They can make different emotional expressions on their gingerbread man. It's just a good activity for them to learn those language skills and even some cognitive skills. And it's just fun to create dough. And another thing that you could do with the dough is have like a sensory activity for them to create other shapes, not just gingerbread men, but they could do stars, they can just use it as a form of Play-Doh to play with. So I have my finished creation. So like I said, you're going to pop it in the oven, and then you will make your very own gingerbread man. I hope you enjoyed the home activity, and I will see you next time. Have a good day. Bye-bye.